Now I am changing distance. Now I am taking new distance, that is the half of the distance of the previous distance. It means r dash I am replacing. Now when you will change anything here, so then force will change. Here distance I am changing, the force automatically will change. So now here I am giving name f dash. Now the formula will change, gm square upon r by 2 the whole square. What will happen? Gm square r square by 4 or 4gm square upon r square. This was the original force. This. So now when we are taking r dash is equal to r by 2, it means when you will reduce distance half, you will take. So in this situation f dash is come here, that it was original. F dash is equal to 4f. It means the new force will 4 times of original force. That you can keep in your mind when you are not changing masses. So it means g, this m square, this will be another constant. In this situation f is inversely proportional to r square. It means force is directly proportional to, now in this inversely proportional to square of distance. As well as distance will decrease, force is coming more and more. We can take another way also. In the second situation, if when r dash, r double dash I am giving name, it we are taking 2r. अब नाउ हमने जो है डिस्टेंस बढ़ा दी, इतनी कर दी, पहली वाली डिस्टेंस के डबल कर दी, तो एफ डैश डबल फोर्स हो जाएगी. एंड दिस विल बी जी एम स्क्वायर अपॉन आर डैश द डबल स्क्वायर. when we are taking masses, different masses, then in this situation f dash is equal to g m1 की जगह m, m2 की जगह m upon 2 r square. It means half this I am taking in this side g m square upon r square, that is the 1 by 2 f. It means now new force will be half of the original force. Here distance I am not changing, only mass when changing. So then how force will change, that I have shown you. Now I am taking one more case. Here we were taking when masses were same and r distance we were taking. In this situation f is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. Formula was changing, f is equal to g m square upon r square for identical masses. Suppose now I am taking bodies in this way m1 m2, but now m2 is just half of this body and distance we are not changing. So what will happen? m1 is m, now m2 is m by 2. Then f dash is equal to, it means when we are taking double distance, so then in this situation force formula is changing. Now force formula is g m square r dash the double square, r dash is how much? 2r. So here it will come g m square upon 4r square. This was the original our f square, the gm square upon r square. So what will come? F double dash is equal to f upon 4. It means in this situation force will reduce by 1 by 4 factor.